Hello children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 11.1 from chapter 11 perimeter and area. We have already completed question number 1 and 2. Now question number 3. In this question, the question is given that find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. These two things are given, area of the rectangular plot and the length, and you need to find its breadth and perimeter by using these two things. What is given here? Area 440 meter square, length 22 meter square. By using these two dimensions, clue, we have to find out the breadth and the perimeter. Now it is a very easy sum for you. Area 440 meter square. Area means, area means length into breadth is equal to 440. Instead of length I can write L into B is equal to 440 meter square. L length is given here 22 into breadth we don't know, so 440. Now using the concept of linear equation, so how to find B is equal to 440 by 22. Cancel it. 22 2s are 4, it is 0, so 20. Therefore breadth of the rectangular plot is 20 meter. Now you need to find the perimeter also. By using this length and breadth, you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangular plot. Formula is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length is 22 and breadth is 20 meter. That is 2 into 42 meter. That is 84. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 84 meter. So this is one answer and this is another answer. It was easy for you also. Now come to question number 4. In this question it is given that perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Perimeter is given 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and area. So by using perimeter and length we can find out breadth, and after finding breadth and this length we can find the area. Now it is given that perimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. Perimeter means 2 into L plus B is equal to 100 centimeter, or instead of 2L plus B we can write 2L plus 2B. Can I write? Because in a rectangle, what will be the perimeter of the rectangle? See, if it is length and it is breadth, so the boundary, total length of the boundary is known as perimeter. So this one is L plus B, then this is also L, opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. So this and these are L and these are B. So what I can see that 2L plus 2B, 2L, or you can write L plus B plus L plus B. So you can see that 2L plus 2B is equal to perimeter. Understood? Now length we know, so we can write 2 into, instead of L length we can write 35 plus 2, breadth we don't know, keep B as it is, 100, 70, 35 into 2, 70 plus 2B is equal to 100. We will use now our concept related to linear equation. So 2B is the variable only, 100 minus 70, that is 2B is equal to 30, Therefore B is equal to 30. 2 was multiplied here, so 2 will be in the denominator. Cancel it, it will become 15. Therefore breadth of the rectangle is 15 centimeter. Now using this breadth and this length, find the area. Now area length into breadth, length 35, breadth 15. Now 2 units are here multiplied because 35 centimeter into 15 centimeter, so centimeter square. Multiply and you will get the, multiply these two and you will get 5 to 5 centimeter square. So this is also one answer. Find the breadth of the and then again you have to find the area. So this is another answer. So what is the perimeter of the rectangular sheet? It is perimeter was given. What was the breadth of the rectangular sheet? 15 centimeter, and area of the rectangular sheet 525 centimeter square. I hope the sums, both the sums are easy for you. Practice it. Thank you, students.